Even the bakeries will want to know how I made this bread. In a container, add 10 grams of organic yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon full of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 300 ml of warm water. Now just stir well until you mix these ingredients. Once that's done, add 600 grams of wet flour and add gradually. Stir until the dough is very consistent. If the dough reaches that point, you can stop messing with the spatula and smash with your hands. Stir until the dough begins to unstick from the fingers. So, it's perfect. Now just pass this dough to a band and start over. The dough will be like this, very smooth and easy to stir. Just stick your fingers into the dough and return to the container. Cover with a cloth and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just remove it from the container and return with the dough to the countertop. Sprinkle a little flour on top of the dough, and with the help of a roll, we will open it well. The dough like this is already perfect, and here I will fill with Calabrian. In total, I used 200 grams. If you prefer, you can fill with something else. It's in your preference. On the larger side of the dough, start rolling. Now, just take this dough and move to a shape already greased with butter and flour. One tip I give is to grease the shape and take to the fridge while you roll the dough. With the cloth, we will cover and let the dough rest again for another 30 minutes. Place in preheated oven at 200 degrees for 25 minutes. After this time, add grated mozzarella, but it's optional. Now return it to the oven for another 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. And that's the result. Look how amazing it looks. Do it at your house, that I'm sure everyone will love. This bread is stuffed and super simple to be made. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.